I, Rosalie Robertson, swear by Almighty God that I will faithfully and to the best of my ability execute and perform the office and duties of Registrar of Lands pursuant to the Land Registry Act.
I, Wendella Annalise Austin, swear by Almighty God that I will faithfully and to the best of my ability execute and perform the office and duties of the Assistant Registrar of Lands pursuant to the Land Registry Act.
In the presence of Chief Justice Ian Chang, Minister of State Joseph Harmon, and Minister of Legal Affairs Basil Williams, a new Land Registrar and Assistant Land Registrar was sworn in at the High Court on Friday. Immediately after being sworn in, Nightly News caught up with the new Land Registrar, who promised a total overhaul of the system. She asked the Guyanese people to hold her accountable if she does not work on their behalf. She spoke of her plans.
First of all, we recognize that there is a great backlog of matters there. There are a lot of people out there that are waiting for their titles, and we have put that issue as a priority. So even as we deal with other issues, we are trying to get rid of the backlog first and foremost.
And how soon can persons expect these backlog issues to be
addressed? Well, as early as Monday, we will start distributing.
The Assistant Registrar said she's adamant that changes will come to the registry.
So I know there will be changes in the land registry. What we want to firstly do is to get the records in order, because the records are very important. Those are where the files are preserved for the persons that are the owners of property. So we want to make sure we have that in order, and then administratively assign persons to duties, because the final output is getting these titles signed at an expeditious in an expeditious way.
Meanwhile, Attorney General and Legal Affairs Minister Basil Williams, in an invited comment, said that the system in the past has had many deficiencies, which they are looking to pull the plug on. He explained the functions of the Land Registrar and her assistant.
Deal with titles that we call certificated titles, which is titles issued pursuant to the land registration provisions, which we call the torrent system. So it's different from the transport system, which is dealing the deeds registry.
Over the years, persons have complained about the time they had to wait to receive their land titles. Some have been waiting for more than 10 years, but in less than a week, they can receive their land titles, the new registrar promised. For HGP Nightly News, I am Royden James.